Hi folks, it's Mandeep again. So in this video we are going to look at how you can make a left turn from a two-way street with a stop sign onto a one-way street, and from a one-way street onto a two-way street. A lot of people they get it wrong. They will go in wrong lanes, and sometimes they just stop on a wrong side of the street. So let's see how we can do this properly. Okay, so here we are approaching our intersection. Now this street does not have any markings in the middle, so if you don't see a yellow line, you can imagine a yellow line in the middle of the street, and if you are turning left, then you should be staying closer to the yellow line or the center of the street. Now we see a stop sign, and this stop sign, it doesn't say four-way or three-way, so that means the stop sign is only for us. So we will make a full stop before the sidewalk, and then we check on both sides for the pedestrians, and then we look at all the signs. So we see a sign here indicating it's a one-way street, and the arrow is pointing to the left side, so that means all the traffic is going to the left side. That means we're going to be turning into our very first lane, into the first available lane. But here looks like we got 3 lanes in total on the street, and the first lane is not available because we have a parked car in the first lane. So that means we should be actually turning in the second lane, because now that second lane becomes our first available lane. So we will take the second lane, which is our first available lane now. And there was no posted speed limit sign, so it's 50 maximum in Manitoba. Now we see another intersection coming up, and we see 2 stop signs here, and they both are actually facing us. So that's another indication that we are on a one-way street, and we're going to be taking a left turn from left turn here. So we will go into our first available lane again. Okay. So from middle lane we will move over to the left side, and that's our first available lane. Now we make a full stop before the sidewalk here. Same thing, we are checking pedestrians, we are looking at the signs. So I don't see any sign here indicating it's a one-way street. So that means it's a two-way street. So we're going to imagine a yellow line, and we cross the yellow line, and we are staying on the right side of the yellow line. Alright, so let's do this one more time. So we will go back onto that same intersection. Alright folks, so we are back onto that same intersection here. We see that same one-way stop sign. Full stop before the sidewalk. We already know it's a one-way street. There is this sign as well. And we're going to be turning into our first available lane, which in this case is actually the middle lane, because the left lane is not available due to parked cars. Now this time we are going straight from this intersection, so we're going to stay in the middle lane. Alright, so we made a full stop, we are checking pedestrians, and now we are staying in the middle lane again. On the next intersection we are going to make a left turn again. So now when the left lane is clear, that's when we move over to the left side. In the left lane we make a full stop on this intersection, check pedestrian, cyclist, and we don't see any sign indicating it's a one-way street. So that means it's a two-way street. So we imagine a yellow line in the middle of the street, and we turn on the right side of the yellow line. If you like to see more videos like this one, please like and subscribe. Thank you.